Hey everybody, Snowstorm Studios here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Today I'm going to be doing a epic speed paint. But first I just want to explain why I'm making the speed paint. So it's still going on, but there's a snowstorm going on right now. And I decided that I want to do a speed paint in honor of that snowstorm, since Snowstorm Studios. My favorite word is snowstorm, and it's gone from high to snowstorm, which is pretty cool.